like carrots, oh what fun! Who's that hiding in the shed? It's a purple egg, sleepyhead. Number 6, say it clear. Purple grapes are coming near. Now let's count from 7 to 10. The eggs all roll and roll again. 7 is pink, 8 is gray, 9 is black, 10 is white. Hooray! 10 colorful eggs on the farm so wide. Learning numbers side by side. Colors and counting, what a blast. Let's play again, the fun won't last. Subscribe to ZiZiZoom today. More fun songs are on